When replacing the window regulator, you will be working around the door window motor. Make sure it cannot be operated while working. Place the remote key far enough away from the car so it cannot be powered. You will need to remove the rear door panel to access the regulator. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. You will also need to remove the window motor to access the regulator, red arrow. Again, please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance if needed. Use a trim removal tool and your hands and remove the access panel in the door, red arrow. There is a hole in the window glass that sits in a plastic clamp in the regulator, red arrow. This is just a friction fit, and when installing the glass, you must press down firmly until you hear it click into place. Slide the window to the bottom and insert a trim removal tool to separate the plastic clamp in the regulator enough to pull the glass up without moving the clamp, green arrow. Raise the window all the way up and secure it in place with tape or wedges. There are two T20 Torx screws holding the regulator to the door, red arrows. Remove the plastic cap on the upper one and then remove the two screws. Using pliers, squeeze in on the tabs on the regulator to the motor mounts until you can push them back into the door cavity. You can now pass the regulator out through the opening in the door. Installation is the reverse of removal. Torque the window regulator nuts to the door to 7.5 Newton meters or 5.5 foot-pounds. Reinstall the motor, making sure it fits within the teeth on the regulator. To teach the end positions of the window, reinstall the door panel and start the vehicle. Pull the rocker switch until the window is fully closed, then pull the switch again, and the upper position is stored. Press the rocker switch down until the window is fully open, then press the switch down again. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.